In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow automation in Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn repetitive tasks into reliable, hands-off processes, so your team can move faster and stay consistent. Start by heading into your Freshsales account and opening Settings, then choosing Workflow Automations. This is the control center for building rules that run in the background. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions or a plan that includes automations, so make sure your access is set up before you continue. Next, click the New Workflow button. This opens a clean canvas where you'll define what you want to automate and when it should happen. Think of a workflow as, if this happens, then do that. The builder will guide you through the exact pieces to set up. Now choose the module your workflow should watch. You can target leads, contacts, deals, and more. Pick the one that matches your process. For example, if you want something to happen when a new opportunity is added to your pipeline, choose deals. If you're nurturing prospects at the top of the funnel, leads might make more sense. Selecting the right module ensures the automation listens to the right records. With the module set, define your trigger conditions. This is the event that kicks everything off. Common choices include when a record is created or when a field changes, like a deal stage moving from qualified to proposal. Be as specific as you can to avoid noise. If you only want this to run for high-value opportunities, include conditions that check for amount or territory. Clear triggers help your automation fire at the right moment every time. Once your trigger is in place, define the actions. This is what the system will do for you. You can send an email, assign an owner, or update a field. For example, when a deal reaches a certain stage, automatically assign it to the right rep and send a confirmation email to the contact. Or when a new lead is created, update a custom field so reporting stays accurate. Keep actions focused and purposeful, and use concise, professional email templates so messages look polished. When everything looks good, click Save and Activate. Saving locks in your setup, and activating turns it on so it can start working with live data. If you ever need to pause or refine it, you can come back to the same area and adjust the trigger or actions without starting from scratch. That's it. You've created a workflow automation in Freshsales that saves time, reduces manual effort, and keeps your process consistent.